Today, I'll show you how to make soft and fluffy instant dhokla at home. Let's begin with the ingredients. Here are the ingredients for making dhokla. 1 cup of besan, turmeric powder, mustard seeds, lemon, 2 chopped green chilies, chopped coriander leaves, some curry leaves, 1 packet of eno, sugar syrup. Now, I will show you the procedure. Take a big bowl and add 1 cup. Add the gram flour, besan. Make sure to use fresh besan for the best texture. Gently break any lumps and give it a quick mix. You can also sift it once if you want an extra smooth batter. Now carefully add all the besan to the bowl. Next, add a little turmeric powder for that beautiful yellow color, salt to taste, and a pinch of hing, asafoetida, for extra flavor. Mix all the dry ingredients really well so everything is evenly combined. Then gradually add water while stirring continuously to make a smooth, lump-free batter. Keep mixing until the batter becomes silky and uniform. The batter should be neither too loose nor too thick. The consistency of the batter should look like this to make a spongy and puffy dhokla. Let it rest for 10 minutes. Now add the prepared sugar syrup to the batter. This will give the dhokla a subtle sweetness and help balance the flavors perfectly. Next, squeeze the juice of half a fresh lemon into the batter. The lemon adds a pleasant tanginess and also helps make the dhokla soft and fluffy. Mix everything really. The batter is now perfectly rested and ready for the final step before steaming. Just before steaming, add half a packet of eno to the batter and gently mix it for 10 seconds. You will notice that the batter becomes light and airy. As soon as the eno is mixed in, avoid letting the batter sit for too long. The air bubbles created at this stage are what help the dhokla turn soft, light, and spongy. So, without any delay, get your steaming setup ready and move on to the next step. Immediately pour the batter into a container greased with oil. Gently tap the container once or twice on the counter to spread the batter evenly and create a smooth surface on top. Now, place the container in a cooker that has already been preheated with water for 5 minutes. Remove the whistle from the lid and close the cooker. Make sure the lid is properly secured so that the steam remains trapped inside throughout the cooking process. Steam it on a medium flame for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, check the dhokla using a knife. If the knife comes out clean without any batter sticking to it, your dhokla is ready. Using a knife, make at least 2 straight cuts across the dhokla to divide it into portions. Then make additional cuts in the opposite direction, if desired, to create neat square or rectangular pieces. Now, we will prepare the tadka. Heat some oil in a pan and add mustard seeds. Let them crackle, then add some curry leaves, green chilies, and chopped coriander leaves. Let everything sizzle for a few seconds, and then add sugar syrup to it. Pour this flavorful tadka all over the dhokla. Your soft, spongy, and delicious dhokla is ready to serve. Enjoy it with your favorite chutney. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy recipes.